Welcome to Synmetrix, the comprehensive data toolkit designed for data engineers, analysts, and managers. In today's increasingly dynamic and data-driven world, efficient data management is key across various sectors. Fortunately, Synmetrix is here to address these challenges and optimize your data management, analysis, and transmission processes. Our sophisticated data modeling feature enables you to transform raw data into actionable business insights, empowering you to make informed and strategic decisions. Effortlessly collaborate with your team by sharing data through versatile interfaces such as REST, GraphQL, or SQL, ensuring unified access to a single source of truth. Stay fully informed and responsive with our real-time alerting system, which promptly notifies you of significant data changes. Additionally, our integrated reporting system allows you to seamlessly schedule and distribute reports to relevant stakeholders. Access insightful data, reports for informed decision-making. Unlock the full potential of data management with Synmetrix, whether you're a data engineer, analyst, or manager. Synmetrix, empowering streamlined data management, analysis, and transmission. Get started today.